This is an all-in-one complete kitchen knife set by Cook. Let's open it up and show you what we get. 15 pieces knife set. As we open up the kit, we have a nice black knife, and they got very well protected tips, and they will fit into the board in particular order. They're covered with cardboard. Each blade is made for a particular thing. A bread blade, a steak knife, a butcher's knife that we're going to cut some radishes with. We're going to chop up some radishes with the knives. That is sharp.
Pretty sharp. Pretty sharp. Pretty sharp, cuts beautiful.
We have smaller knives that we could have chopped the radishes with, and a little bit bigger knife that we could have chopped the radish with. And we're going to use one of the knives right now.
I'm just going to slice my oranges.
As the oranges get slid, as the orange gets sliced, it is nice and sharp. 1, 2, 3.
It is pretty sharp and easy to handle. Nice weight to hold, not too heavy.
Now, did we say that this knife has a sharpener located right over here, and you're going to use the unit? Just basically, whenever it gets dull, you're going to sharpen the blade 3 to 8 times. Can opener. You could crack a walnut. You could cut chicken. Anything that you use a poultry chicken slicer for. When all done with your blades, you place them in the unit. They fit nicely in underneath the cabinet, ready for the next day. We have a number of knives here. This is called the slicing knife. This is a paring knife, a utility knife, a chef's knife, and they give the size of the blade as well, 8-inch. This one here, please forgive me, it's a Sanduko knife, 7-inch blade. This is a bread knife, 8-inch blade. And a steak knife, which is about 6.5-inch blade. They got a nice handle, they got a nice grip, and they do a nice job eating steak, cutting chicken, pork chops, fish, and so forth. It fits underneath the counter, nice and comfortable. If the blade is dull, you want to sharpen it. Once again, you have a sharpener that you're going to do this 3 times to 8 times to sharpen the blade, and when done, place it back. It is a wooden base, so you put your hands underneath, you're not going to cut yourself, and they got rubber legs. I hope you enjoy your Cook knife kit. I hope this product may be right for you, for your kitchen and your needs.